Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're checking out this cute multi-function kitchen sink. So it is rated for ages 3 and older. So let's go ahead and show you guys what you get. Alright guys, so here's the sink. You got all of these different vegetables, all these different accessories. I mean tons and tons of accessories, little pots and pans, and place it down in like this. And what's really cool about this is the sink actually works. So it looks like it takes 2 AA batteries, and it has the water level that you need to have it at. And wow, that's pretty cool. So we'll test it out, and you just simply slide it down in once you have the batteries put in. So it looks like you use a screwdriver to pop this open to put batteries in. All right guys, so you put batteries inside here as well. So guys, this actually takes 4. It showed 2, but it takes 4 AA batteries. All right guys, check it out. This takes 3 AA, by the way. So you have 2 different sounds. So that's for these little pots. And check it out, we put the batteries in here. So we're gonna go ahead and fill some water up here, see how it performs. All right guys, so now once you fill it up with water, go ahead and turn it on. That is pretty cool, guys. You can wash your dishes and everything. That's pretty cool, guys.